Ho, what's going on, world? Here we go again, the Math So Easy team, and we're back. Ha ha. Okay, so today is not really a math lesson, but it's related to math indirectly. Um, and we're going to be building single bar charts. Okay, so for any students watching and for any teachers watching, this is for both of you. We're going to be using PowerPoint and Excel indirectly to build a single bar chart or bar graph, whatever you want to call it. The only way to really work with data and to master how to interpret data on graphs and charts is to actually build your own, believe it or not. So, students in my class will be asked to analyze a set of data and graph it and chart it, and they will be using PowerPoint and Excel to formulate those graphs. So here we go. We're going to start with a single bar chart. Now, mind you, there are double bar charts. Or double bar graphs, whatever you want to call them, pie graphs, line graphs, and all that. So there'll be different videos for each. Okay, so let's open up PowerPoint. I'm working on the Mac, of course. I'm probably going to put together a tutorial for Windows users also, depending on how much the programs differ. So I got to check it out on Word first. Okay, so I like to first start off with a blank document. So let me expand a little bit. I like to go to layout and I like to pick blank. Okay, so now up in this bar here, I'm going to go to charts because that's what I want. I'm going to do a column chart. As we can see right here, click that. And we're going to do a basic clustered column, but only we're going to have a single bar for this tutorial here. Click on that. And as you can see, it's automatically going to open up Excel. And this is where we put our data that we're going to be graphing. So as you see, Excel is on top, but we have PowerPoint right behind it. And as you can see, it's already put together a chart for us based on the data that's already in this table. So as we can see in column A, we have categories 1 through 4. This represents the subjects on your x-axis. So that's the first thing I'm going to change. Alright, so I'm going to click into category 1, click in a box, and I'm going to just type over it. I'm going to type dogs. Enter. It already goes down to category 2 automatically. Let's do cats. Enter. Let's do fish. And let's do hamsters. Okay. And as we can see, if we look back down, well, let me hit enter. If we look down, we see that our x-axis has in fact changed. Okay, so now we're doing a single bar, so we only need one of these bars. We don't need 3 here. We have series 1, series 2, series 3. So as we can see, those are these values here. So I'm going to keep series 1, that bar, but I'm going to click here and I'm going to hit delete. Oops, click here, delete, down arrow, delete, down, delete, down, delete, down, delete, over, delete, up, delete, up, delete, up, delete, up, delete. Now, there's probably a better way to do that. If you know, let me know, send it into the blog or email me, and I will definitely go over this tutorial again using a new method if it's better than the one I just did. So as we see, we go back to our graph. Now we have that single bar right here. Very good. So now I'm going to switch these numbers. I'm going to put 30. And these are just numbers I'm coming up with. 5, 10, and let's do 20. And as we can see, our scale and everything has changed. But we have series 1, column 1 and column 2. We don't really need these here. So I can just click here. I get a box and click again. Delete. Click. I get a box. Click again. Delete. This is how you delete them one by one. Click and click again and delete. So now we have a single bar graph. We have our subjects down here at the bottom. And we have our y-axis with our numbers. And there we have a single bar graph. So now we know certain things are missing though. We don't have a title. We don't have an axis labeled. So, and we may want a little bit more minor lines here. to go across the graph. So there's certain things that are missing. So I'm gonna make another video titled chart layout, and that will teach you how to put these certain things on your graphs, like your titles, your axes, and your key, if you were doing a double bar graph. So thanks for joining me, Proper T, at the Math So Easy Lab, and I catch you later. Peace.